Are you a FIFO wondering if you're leaving money on the table with your taxes? Did you go to a mining job to earn the big bucks, but you're not getting ahead because your income tax is killing you every time you look at your payslip? As someone who's likely used to dealing with unique financial situations, you might be surprised to learn about a potentially game-changing strategy that could save you a small fortune. It's something I've done myself over many years. This video is all about exploring how buying a new apartment can lead to massive tax cuts specifically designed for FIFO workers just like you. Simon Atkins here, your brand new off-the-plan apartment specialist in Perth, helping you with your off-the-plan purchase with relevant info and options to help you navigate the specialist part of the property market. FIFO workers often face a distinct set of financial challenges. Your high income, while great for your lifestyle, can also mean you're slugged with a higher tax bracket. And let's be honest, looking at the old pay slip and seeing 200,000 dwindle to about 115,000 after income taxes, the Medicare levy and super might feel like white collar crime. But most of us are aware of the standard deductions, things like charitable donations, specialised clothing and so on. But for high income earners, these deductions can only do so much. The problem is that your income can fluctuate greatly from year to year depending on your roster and the projects you're working on. This unpredictability makes it tough to plan your finances effectively. You might have years where you earn top dollar, but then things can slow down a bit and you're left with a significantly reduced income. It's a roller coaster that can be stressful to navigate. Another challenge is that many tax-saving strategies are geared towards people with more stable, predictable incomes. For FIFO workers, it's different. You need strategies that can adapt to your unique situation. So what if I told you there's a way to not only reduce your taxable income, but also build wealth over the long term? One often overlooked and misunderstood strategy is buying a new apartment, specifically an investment property. When you purchase a new property, you can claim tax depreciation on the construction costs, which can lead to significant deductions. This can be especially beneficial for high-income earners like FIFO workers who are often in higher tax brackets. So the idea is that when you buy a new apartment, you can claim deductions on the construction costs, which can add up quickly. New property allows you to claim all the fittings and fixtures also. So for example, on a $500,000 apartment, you might be able to claim $15,000 in construction costs in the first year alone. This can translate to significant tax savings depending on your tax bracket. Let's look at a client that I'll call John, a FIFO miner earning around $200,000 gross per year. He purchased a new apartment for $500,000 and was able to claim approximately $60,000 in tax deductions in year one. Over the first few years, he was able to claim significant deductions, reducing his taxable income. For someone in his tax bracket, extra cash to him of $13,000 was his reward in the first year alone. Over the next 5 years, he'll get an extra $65,000, and this will continue until all deductions are claimed. This is with just one small property. But the best part of this is just not the lower tax rate that you pay. It's actually a bigger story than that. This is an all-in-one tax-back claim and an investment strategy all in one. The most exciting part of this scenario is that your hard-earned mining dollars are now working hard for you. The tax-back feeds your investment property, and as this happens, you can have the property increasing in value for you as well. It's about making the money that you're working for work hard for you. The longer term goal is that you can replicate this process to get more of your tax back and build even greater wealth. So what are the key takeaways here? Buying a new apartment can offer FIFO workers a powerful way to reduce their taxable income and build wealth at the same time. It's a strategy that's often not understood but can lead to significant tax savings and long-term financial benefits. In essence, it's using the time you have earning higher income to create a pathway to create the financial stability that you were probably looking for when you first began the FIFO work. If you're interested in exploring the strategy further, I encourage you to consult with a financial advisor or a tax professional. They can help you determine if buying a new apartment is right for you and guide you through the process. If you require any further help or questions about this video, feel free to connect with me via my contact details in the description below.